Welcome back to another episode of my wife's amazing cooking. We cut out corn syrup, or trying to cut out corn syrup for the last couple of years, and unfortunately that would cut out most modern pecan pies. But thankfully you can make it without corn syrup, and we think it's even better. But I'm not going to be the one doing the baking. I'm just here for moral support and to make the videos. So
and to hold the baby.
And to hold the baby, and I'll let my wife show you how it's done.
So I made this dough earlier, and I'm just going to get out enough for one pie. It seriously looks like all I ever make is desserts around here, but it's just for video's sake. So I'm gonna lightly flour it. Try to make it as smooth as I can. I'm just rolling it out into a ball here, trying to keep it smooth and even, but it's not going to be perfect. Now I'm going to fold it over. Okay, so it's folded over. Now I'll just put it in here, and I'll trim it up. It won't look so messy here in a little bit. And I can get a knife and cut off the excess. I really enjoy making pies. Pie crust is fun to work with.
Let's go with it.
I can see it.
No. You can watch it later.
Here. Okay, hang on.
Oh.
You want?
Okay. Here, don't. We got an extra helper here. Okay. So the crust is ready. Now we got to put the pecans in. Do you want to help me put the pecans in?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to put these in there.
Just making sure.
Mm-hmm. Use your fingers. Get some more in there. There you go. Put them all in there. Here we go. I think we're going to need to use some from the other container here. Okay, we want them nice and evenly spread out. Okay, can you get some more in there?
Yeah.
Good job.
But you hold it.
Just a little bit. We don't need all of it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's good. Oh, honey. Okay, so first off, I melted 5 tablespoons of butter and put in a tablespoon of flour to thicken it, and this is half a cup of brown sugar. So just mix that together. And then I gotta add the eggs, and the most important part after that. Now I'm putting in 3 eggs. And a half teaspoon of salt. So you can replace corn syrup with maple syrup, and it's much better for you. We actually prefer the flavor of it too. Okay. Put that in there. The recipe also calls for vanilla, but I don't have any right now, so I keep forgetting to get more, but it'll still be all right. So just mix all of this together. All right. And now just pour it over the pecans in the pie. All right. Now this has to go in the oven.
Do I need to open it?
And that has to bake for, the recipe says about 40 to 50 minutes. Probably just till it's not jiggly and it's set up.
What the pie is done, it does flatten out kind of when it cools off, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
But we can't eat it right now because we gotta let it cool off. So it's evening already, and so we'll cut it open tomorrow evening for supper. I thought I'd show you this maple syrup while we're waiting for the pie to cool off. A YouTube buddy of mine went and sent this. It's bourbon barrel aged maple syrup, and when you pop it open it smells like bourbon, but when you put it on pancakes it's a nice change from regular maple syrup. So I like using regular and then sometimes using this. And you can look up their website, just look up Bissell Maple Farm, but I'll also put a Amazon link in the description.
Bedtime.
Well, this is the next day at lunchtime, and as you can see, it leveled out and looks real pretty. And so now for the best part, my wife's gonna cut it, and I'll do my part and eat it.
I think pecan pie is about one of your favorite kinds, isn't it?
Pecan and pumpkin. That's why I'm picking these desserts for the videos. I pick my favorites.
Makes sense.
Next one might be chocolate chip cookies. I've not had it with that bourbon aged maple syrup yet, so I'm curious what that tastes like.
It's not a picture perfect piece.
As you can see, it thickens up just like a regular pecan pie.
Tastes good?
Tastes super good. I like it better than the corn syrup pecan pies because it's not so sickeningly sweet, and you can taste the pecans even better, I think.
And the maple flavor.
The maple comes out really good in it. I might taste a hint of that bourbon, but I don't even know if I'm just tasting that because I know it's in there. This pie is so good, this video deserves 1 million views. Thanks for watching, and God bless.